Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jeep Wrangler jack. Position the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, chock the opposite wheels, and locate the correct jack points before lifting. Inspect the jack for damage and ensure it is rated for your vehicle weight, then assemble any handle extensions. Keep bystanders clear and wear gloves and eye protection while you prepare to raise the vehicle safely. Start by positioning the jack under the confirmed jack point and make sure the saddle seats flush against the metal. Turn the handle steadily, stopping frequently to verify alignment and ensure the vehicle lifts straight. Raise the Jeep just enough to clear the tire off the ground, then set the jack at a safe height for placing jack stands. Never rely on the jack alone to support the vehicle while you work. With jack stands in place, lower the vehicle carefully so the frame rests solidly on each stand and recheck stability before removing the wheel or working under the Jeep. Keep tools organized and avoid putting any part of your body under the vehicle until you confirm it is fully supported. When the job is done, raise slightly, remove stands, and lower the vehicle slowly while keeping hands and feet clear for a safe finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.